What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Nick Dog video. We're back out here again at Frank Ryan's, and it's a Wednesday. Getting after it. You know what I mean? Just straight up exploring once again. Trying to learn the terrain, learn the spots, learn where not to go and where to go. You know? Trying to get back in the swing of things. That's right, I was super rusty. We just dropped ourselves in a rut. Got the clutch out, tire spinning. We're deep. Hey, what happens when you don't really know the area? That's hilarious. You're not getting a full kick. Come on, baby. Yeah. Welcome to the struggle bus. Funny part is, we just literally dropped right in there thinking like, oh shit, this looks pretty cool. And lo and behold, bottomed out to the pegs. We always end up on this freaking trail, dude. That's pretty funny. We tried that last time. We came over here and I think we slapped that. Try cutting up this. So check this out. Probably going right back where I came from, but I don't give a retest. It's my first time using the Amsoil dirt transmission / gear oil on this girl. I don't know, right now I'm feeling a pretty decent notice. Like it's just smooth, shifting is smooth, and it's like, I don't know, like there's no slip in the clutch, I guess, it's hooking. Last time I was out here, it's super overcast, huge clouds, and it was raining. Now it's straight sunny, clear as day. Still got moisture in the dirt. Still badass. My tailbone though, man. I've been doing nothing but like chores around the house now that I got the house, and I had a crap load of lawn in the backyard and shit to cut down. Like, I'm talking about like 2-3 feet. I wouldn't call it lawn, I would say it's weeds. Yesterday I washed both my cars and changed both oils in them. Changed the oil in both of them and all that. I'm feeling it hard in my tailbone right now when I sit down. It looks like we have to stand up most of the day. Old man shit, man. I ain't young like we used to be. There used to be a trail that can't, there it is. I ain't young like we used to be, fellas. We're feeling it right now. And I forgot to take me some pain pills. Check this out, I want to do a little shout out to this cool guy. Always riding a gnar. And he got killer YouTube videos. And we got some deer right here. Killer YouTube videos. He's working on it. I think it's a 2019 250 something KTM. He's working on that, doing bike build and stuff, how to make it enduro friendly. His YouTube channel is Trailbound. Check him out, Trailbound on YouTube. Good guy. Go subscribe and hit that like button. Tell him Nick Dog sent you. Thanks. That's gonna do it for this vid. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video. We out here ripping. We're about to get out there right now. Next video, no telling what we're gonna get into. Peace, guys.